Covidian Thermosphere technology. The breakthrough technology behind the Emprint ablation system gives you 3 kinds of control, so you can create and maintain spherical ablation zones across a wide range of tissue types. It starts with field control. Thermosphere technology has advanced antenna geometry that focuses energy at the tip of the device into a precise spherical electromagnetic field. As the ablation begins, elements in the antenna begin to conduct heat. Thermosphere has thermal control with advanced antenna cooling to prevent heat from traveling up the antenna shaft and contributing to the ablation zone. As the ablation continues over time, tissue properties change. Without thermosphere wavelength control, this causes microwaves to elongate. Only thermosphere technology has wavelength control, with active antenna dielectric buffering that maintains a spherical electromagnetic field throughout the course of ablation. Thermosphere technology overcomes the limitations of other technologies to create spherical ablation zones, so you can safely execute procedures with truly predictable outcomes.